Fix 1. Toggle the download preference. If the app you are downloading is quite large as size, you can't directly download it using the mobile data only. There is a settings that you have to tweak. First, Step 1. Open the Play Store. Step 2. Click your account image once and tap Settings. Step 3. On the Play Store settings page, expand the network preferences. Step 4. Tap that app download preference to access that. Step 5. Switch it to the over any network from the given options. Step 6. Tap OK to save this change. Close and relaunch the Play Store application. You can easily install any application using the mobile data on your phone. Hope this helps. Note, when you are downloading an app greater than 200 megabytes in size, a prompt will appear whether you want to wait for a Wi-Fi connection to download it or you want to carry on with the mobile data. Considering the problem with the mobile data, you have to continue downloading the app with the mobile data connection. Fix 2. Cancel updates. Are there any pending update apps are downloading? You should cancel all the app updates. Step 1. Tap the Play Store icon once to open that up. Step 2. You have to click your account to open up the hovering panel. Hit the Manage Apps and Devices option there. Step 3. Go to the Overview tab. Step 4. In the Updates Available section, tap See Details. Step 5. Inside here, you will notice all the apps that are being updated. Step 6. Click Cancel All to cancel the app updates on your system. Now, come back to the main Play Store home page and try to download the problematic app again.